Fergus tells me you're an artist.
Oh, he saw a few paintings at my house, that's all.
That's not how he described them.
I had a show once, a couple years back. Didn't go so well. So, now I just paint for myself.
Well, that's a shame. I'd really like to see your work. So would he. Where are your manners? There's an artist in our presence.
You taught him that?
He's taught me a few things, too.
It's so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Thank you for the royal treatment.
Well, thank you for treating me like a normal person.
I'm not sure that's an even exchange.
Oh, trust me, it is.